Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a rescheduling appointment letter. This formal letter allows you to professionally request a change in an already scheduled meeting due to an unavoidable conflict or issue. You start by including your details at the top, such as your name, address, email, phone number, and the date. This ensures that the recipient can easily identify who the letter is from. Next, you'll add the recipient's details, including their name, position, and the company or organization they belong to, along with their address. This helps to personalize the letter and ensure it reaches the right person. In the subject line, you'll clearly state the purpose of the letter, which is to request a reschedule of the appointment. Finally, you'll begin the letter by addressing the recipient politely using "Dear Recipient's Name." This formal structure sets the tone for a professional communication. After that, write, "I hope this letter finds you well. I regret to inform you that I am unable to attend our scheduled appointment on original date and time due to brief reason, e.g., an unavoidable commitment. I sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may cause and would greatly appreciate the opportunity to reschedule at a time that is convenient for you. Please let me know your availability, or I can suggest propose new date and time if that works for you. Thank you for your understanding and flexibility. I value our meeting and look forward to our discussion. Please confirm the new appointment time at your earliest convenience. Feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email if any further adjustments are needed. Best regards, your name." Here's our sample rescheduling appointment letter. You'll see how it clearly communicates the reason for rescheduling, proposes a new date and time, and expresses gratitude for the recipient's understanding. It also includes the necessary details such as your contact information and the recipient's, ensuring a professional and respectful tone. By following this format step by step, you can easily craft an effective letter that maintains professionalism while requesting a change in your meeting schedule. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing formal letters.